Good evening. My hearty congratulations to every aspirant who cleared APPSC Group 1 main examination. Interviews are scheduled in the month of June, and whatever the time you have now, this particular time must be utilized very effectively for the preparation of interview. But how exactly the interview is going to be? What questions will be asked? First of all, please remember whatever may be the questions that are being asked by the experts in the board. But what makes all the difference is that how exactly you are going to present yourself, how exactly you are going to communicate very effectively with the board. Here, this is the place where the confidence levels will come into picture. So this cannot be done on single day or 2 days. So this is the place where you need to start preparation from right now. As far as some aspirants are concerned, they may be extraordinarily good as far as the communication skills are concerned. But what exactly is being presented, whether the presentation is relevant to the question that has been asked, all makes sense in the board. That is the reason why from kalyanias.com we are going to initiate interview guidance with respect to APPSC Group 1 examination, and this we are going to kickstart from May 3rd. We are going to kickstart from May 3rd onwards, and I invite all the aspirants who cleared the main examination to join this particular program. All basics will be taught to you. What should be read, what should be avoided, and what should be the approach, what exactly you need to read, what exactly you need to leave. Everything will be taught to you. Apart from this, the mock sessions will also be conducted. Please remember, everything is going to be online, and current conditions because of this COVID pandemic, they are very, very horrible. That is the reason why I suggest all of you to stay at home. Please be at home and communicate with me. All guidance will be provided. Mock sessions will be conducted face to face, right? So meaning online face to face. So directly with each aspirants I am going to interact, and with the group also I am going to interact to make this particular program a highly successful one. And I suggest all the aspirants to join this program. In order to join this program, I want you to send your hall ticket to this particular mail ID, or you can send your hall ticket to my WhatsApp. So this is APPSC Group 1 Interview Guidance Program. My mail ID on the screen. Please take a pic of this. And if you want to send your hall ticket through WhatsApp, you are most welcome. So my WhatsApp number is there on the screen. So this is what is required for beginning our particular program. And as far as this program is concerned, this is absolutely free, no charges at all. But once you join, I want you to be very attentive, very focused. Whatever I am going to teach you, whatever the methods that are going to be given to you, whatever the techniques that are going to be discussed with you, everything you are expected to follow very sincerely, very religiously. Kindly remember, the competition is really tough. You have to crack. In order to crack, you have to do something better than others. And what exactly is that? Everything is going to be taught to you. So with respect to your bio data also, don't worry at this stage. Once you join this program, I'll take your details and I'll be guiding you accordingly. And kindly remember, every day is important. You can join at any time. Every day is important. Every topic is important. And every communication is important. And every topic, how you analyze and present, is also important. That is the reason why join this program. And I want you to be a very successful one, and I want you to get into the topmost jobs in the APPSC Group 1. So my support will continue to you till you finish your interview. And I wish you all a very, very good luck. Please send your hall ticket as early as possible to be the part of this program from day number 1, that is May 3rd, 2021. Once again, I congratulate you. Once again, I wish you all a very, very, very good luck, and I'll see you during the classes. Thank you so much.